From ruins of the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the Amalfi Coast, we bring you another video. Planning your first trip to Italy? Whether you're dreaming of sipping espresso in a quaint cafe or exploring ancient ruins, there are a few things you really should know before you pack your bags. I've got 6 tips that will help you travel like a pro and make the most of your Italian adventure. Let's dive in. It's important to know it's time to slow down. First up, relax. Italian shops and restaurants don't keep the same hours as you might be used to. Most shops close for a little siesta between noon and 3 p.m. That's right, perfect time to join in the local tradition. Take a break, grab a gelato, and enjoy the slow pace of life. And remember, Sunday and Monday closures are common, so plan accordingly to avoid any surprises. The dining experience. When it comes to dining, things are a little different too. Ever heard of a coperto? That's a cover charge you'll find on your bill in many restaurants. No need to panic, it's normal. It usually covers that delicious bread basket you didn't order but totally devoured. And don't forget, tipping is not mandatory in Italy. But hey, if the service was fantastic, feel free to leave a little something extra. It's all about the coffee culture, coffee lovers. Here's the deal. If you order a coffee, you're getting an espresso. Italians keep it short and strong, and they usually enjoy it standing at the bar. So, adjust your coffee expectations and savor every sip of that tiny, powerful cup of goodness. Italy's streets are charming and historic, but also cobbled and sometimes uneven. That means comfy shoes are a must. Plus, if you're renting a car, go small. Like, really small. Those narrow streets aren't made for anything bigger than a Fiat 500. Trust me, it's all part of the adventure. Embracing the unexpected. Italy is full of surprises, like the lively markets where you'll want to have cash on hand, or the stunning abandoned buildings you'll see once you venture beyond the tourist hotspots. It's a mix of old-world charm and modern-day realities. While it's sad to see, it also tells a story of the country's changing times. Making the most of your trip. And for the adventurers out there, Italy is a hiker's dream. From the majestic Dolomites to the coastal paths along the Amalfi Coast, you'll find trails that lead to breathtaking views. Italy is best explored on the road, so consider a road trip to really take in all the beauty this country has to offer. Whether you're wandering through ancient ruins, indulging in the local cuisine, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, Italy is a place where every moment feels like a scene from a movie. With these tips in mind, you're all set for an unforgettable journey. Ciao for now, and happy travels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content. And if you found these tips helpful, share your own Italy tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Till next time.